Don't mind me, I'm just picking a hotel to talk about. Oh, yes, this is a cracker. It's the Ibis Styles in Singapore. If you don't know, I'm choosing a hotel from the 125 hotels I've reviewed over the last couple of years, and I'm chatting about an individual hotel every day for 2 months. So, Ibis Styles Singapore. Why did I book the Ibis Styles Singapore? Well, I was actually staying at the Stamford for my treat time in Singapore. I was flying back from Sydney in Australia. I wasn't due to land in Sydney till like 9 o'clock at night. So I knew by the time I wasn't due to land in Singapore till about 9 o'clock at night. By the time I got through the airport, it was going to be late. I was spending money at the Stamford. I didn't see the point of just doing that to spend that sort of money to just crash. So I booked the Ibis Styles, which is on MacPherson. So if you're Googling it, but you don't need to Google it because there's a link direct to the hotel and there's a link to the full video. Singapore's not a cheap place, right? But the Ibis Styles was at a good price. And I tell you what, watch the video. You'll see the full review of the place and the room, etc. But the really good thing was, from my perspective, it had a manual laundry, right? So I've just spent a week in Australia. I've been at Uluru, I've been in Melbourne, and I've been around Sydney. So it's fair to say I had some dirty washing. Now, if I got my washing sorted at the Stamford Swissotel, it's going to bankrupt me. But in Singapore, they have washing machines. So it cost me about £12. So actually, my first morning in Singapore, was doing my washing in a laundrette in the hotel. But because it was in the hotel, it was so easy. So I put my washing in, did that, hung it up in the room. I actually got the ironing board out. I think I've got some pictures. There's some pictures there here. If not, I'll just superimpose a halo on my head. So I did all my washing, everything like that. And then off I went to the Stamford with clean clothes in my suitcase, thanks to the Ibis Styles on MacPherson. Oh, the other thing was, breakfast was really good. And the breakfast was actually served around the pool. So you could sit by the pool and it's all a bit tropical gardening. Yeah, I recommend it. So if you're in Singapore on a budget, and very easy to get to Stamford by metro. I went by metro. Very easy. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Like, subscribe, share. It's free, of course. And I'll see you tomorrow with another hotel. Bye for now.